What I tell people is that unfortunately down here with all contractors of different kinds of work, you get varying levels of quality and follow-up, and I was very pleased from the beginning to the end with American Paving. The proposal was done quickly, professionally. The pricing was done very competitively. I had gotten 3 or 4 other estimates, and then dealing with the people there. They fully explained all of our questions, and we visited their office and visited several of their other sites, so we got good confidence that we were dealing with a good, reputable company that had good results. And then when the process started, we were actually flabbergasted with the way the crews operated, how professional they were, and in every way in terms of the quality of the work, but how well they cleaned up, followed up. It was just a complete pleasure from beginning to end. It looks like it's a new house. We feel like it's gives it a real estate looking feel to it, and it adds a lot to the curb appeal of the house, which is a lot. We're not planning on selling anytime soon, but we really like it and enjoy it every time we pull in.
And would you recommend us to your neighbors and your friends?
I already have, and I think American Paving's already gotten a couple of new customers because of those references, and so I'm very happy to refer them as a great company to work with.